Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can use Ynab with credit cards. So let's get started. First, open the Ynab app and tap the Accounts tab at the bottom of your screen. Then, tap Add Account. You'll be given two options: either link your bank by searching for your financial institution or choose Unlinked if you prefer to enter transactions manually. After that, give your card a nickname, select Credit Card as the account type, and enter the current balance. If you're linking the card, Ynab will pull in your balance automatically. Otherwise, you can enter it manually. Tap Next, then Done, and Ynab will create your new credit card account along with a special credit card payment category in your budget. Now, here's the key part: understanding how credit cards actually work in Ynab. Every time you swipe your credit card, you're technically creating a bit of debt, whether it's a $70 grocery haul or a 35-cent pack of gum. But the beauty of Ynab is how it helps you stay in control. Let's say you've already assigned money to your groceries category. When you use your credit card to buy those groceries, Ynab automatically pulls that same amount from your groceries category and moves it into your credit card payment category. This way, you've already reserved the money to pay off that debt, no surprises later. That money just sits in your credit card payment category, waiting for you to actually make the payment. So instead of falling behind, Ynab helps you stay ahead of your credit card, using money you already have to cover every purchase in real time.